Let's turn back over to Storm Watch 12. Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman for a current look at our conditions tonight. Matt.
Yeah, just a little cooler out there today, but take a look outside right now in Brookings. Look at that marine layer, very foggy conditions, visibility less than a mile along the coast, down to a quarter mile now in Brookings. Things are good inland. Take a look at the satellite and radar imagery. We do have that marine layer along the coast, but skies are relatively clear inland. Do expect, though, clouds off to the west to start to roll in for tomorrow. So we will see increased clouds for the day on our Wednesday, and that's going to drop temperatures even a bit further for tomorrow's daytime highs. 46 right now in Klamath Falls. We're already down to 40 in Lakeview, 62 degrees in Medford, and it's 61 in Grants Pass. Right now 56 in Montague. Tonight we'll drop down to about 45 in Wairika, 50 in Medford, down to 37 in Klamath Falls. Some low clouds could also start to fill into parts of Jackson and Josephine County overnight tonight. Tomorrow, increased clouds in the Rogue Valley will warm up into the upper 70s, still a little bit above average for this time of the year, but it will be a little bit closer to normal for most spots tomorrow. We're going to see those readings getting up mid to upper 70s in our west side valleys and over on the east side as well. 55 for Crater Lake and 68 the high in Brookings. Winds will be a bit breezy at the coast and then up through some of the higher terrain in the region tomorrow. I mentioned earlier the fires to our north have been very active. Most of the smoke, though, has been traveling to the north and to the east, but some of that smoke could drift into parts of Klamath and Lake County, mainly tomorrow night on into the first part of Thursday, so that could impact air quality a bit. Hiking forecast the next few days. We do bounce back into the low 80s in the Rogue Valley Thursday and Friday. We'll still see some passing clouds throughout the region, but staying dry. Here's a look at Stormcast, those increased clouds for tomorrow across the region. Temperatures, though, will be pleasant and a little bit cooler than what we've seen so far this week, that's for sure. And then moving through your Thursday, passing clouds across southern Oregon and northern California, partly to mostly cloudy skies. And then we're watching a system for the weekend into Saturday. Friday, it's looking like it will stay dry, but there is still the potential that we could see some showers in our region on Saturday, especially near the coast and down in northern California. But some forecast models take that system a little bit further to the south, and most of us would likely stay dry. So still some differences to iron out, but there's at least the potential that we could see at least some shower activity in the region, but don't expect it to add up to all that much. There is another system we'll watch into early next week. Take a look at your forecast for our Friday Night Blitz game of the week. We're heading to Ashland, the Grizzlies taking on the Marshfield Pirates. 72 degrees at kickoff, generally partly to mostly cloudy skies. Should be dry for all those high school football games, but there is, again, this weekend, that potential for some showers into Saturday. Sunday, though, will be dry with brighter skies and temperatures warming back up a bit as well. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this. We'll be looking at the marine layer, pretty prevalent for the coast the next few days overall. A slight chance for showers on Saturday. Northern California also seeing that potential for some showers into the start of the weekend. Notice temperatures dip a little bit further into this weekend as well. Lower 70s for highs in the basin Saturday and Sunday. We'll be in the middle 70s the next few days for the basin. Up in the mountains, increased clouds, breezy winds through the rest of the week. The potential for some showers Saturday, and then in the Rogue Valley, a little bit cooler, still running a bit above average though over the next several days, and just a slight chance that we could see some raindrops potentially on Saturday.